right, man. So let me just stop procrastinating. Let me hit up my man Juice real quick, see what he want, man. I know he want an appointment. I just need to figure out which day he want. Hey, y'all, hold on real quick, man. My man Jeezy calling me, man. Wait a minute. Hold on. Yo, Juice, what's good? Jeezy, what's good? Hello. Who, man? Hello? Hello. Hello? Hello. Juice. Hello. Juice, I mean. Who, man? I'm trying to ask you something. Hello. You can't hear me? Hold on, wait a minute. On everything. On everything. Listen, holla at me. Hey, I just wanted to know if, like, when did you want your appointment? I need it on Thursday, ASAP. I'll be there. All right. That's what's up. Hey, I'll see you then. All right, one. Hello. All right, YouTube, here it is. We got some Durags from Juice. All right, link will be in the description where you can pick these up. So let's try some of these on, all right, and show you what they look like. Let's do it. He also has mesh Durags, crown patches, all types of Durags, man. Just go on the site. Links will be in the description. This is my man Juice. I cut his hair, you know what I'm saying? He's been coming to me for a while now. And I usually give him a lineup, no taper on the side, taper in the back. But this time, I put that extra sauce on it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned. Follow my man Juice too. His links will be in the description below. Also, where you can get these Durags. Check him out. FMJ the brand. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned.
Looking so wavy. Looking so wavy, wavy.
Alright, you guys, so like I always say, when it comes to wavers, what you want to do is comb the hair out first before you actually start cutting. The reason why you want to do this is so that, you know, the hair can lift off of the scalp, and it makes it easier for the hair to feed into the teeth of the blades. Alright, so now during the client consultation, I asked him what length he wanted on top. He knew exactly what he wanted, right? So he wanted a 2.5 on everything but the crown and his front line. All right, he wanted to keep those areas thicker because I think he has a cowlick in the front. And just like I always say, if you want to develop your waves in your crown area, you always want to keep that a guard size higher. So he went with a number 3 on the crown and 3 on his edges. So like I said, when it comes to the crown area, I have my 3 guard with the lever fully closed, and I'm just going with the grain of his pattern. He has a beehive, so I'm just going in that direction that I see the waves forming in. So like the song say, man, you want to brush after you're done cutting it down. That way you get the hairs to lay down, and it just kind of reassures your client that you know how his pattern is, and it just makes him feel comfortable knowing that you actually care about what you're doing and how you're handling his waves. So I'm not gonna give them a taper on the sides, but what I will do is grab my number 1 guard with the lever open, and I'm just gonna bring the sides down to a length where once you line it up, it's gonna be that much more crispier, and it won't leave like the sideburns looking all bushy and stuff. So make sure you bring that sideburn down a little bit. There's no reason why the hair should be the same length on top as the sideburns. So when it comes to the back taper, there's a lot of things that I take in consideration. I take in consideration how long the neck is, how far the hair comes down. That way, when I do set my bald line in, I'm not really going too high, or I'm not keeping it real low. If your client has a long neck, chances are you gotta go higher on that bald line. But this is about a normal size neck, and I'm just going probably like a inch up, setting in my bald line. Next guideline you want to set in is the lever open. I'm going up about a 1/2 inch, making sure that I keep it consistent. You don't want to, have one side higher than the other. So I'm going to go over the guideline multiple times to make sure that it's at that lever open length. So going up the same width that I did with the lever open, but this time putting on my 1 guard with the lever open, I'm going up 1/2 inch. I'm gonna go over the guideline multiple times, brushing down the hair as I go, looking at the first wave, all right? Really paying attention to where he could get his last wave in and not trying to take it up too high. Alright, so instead of taking that 2 guard and running it upward, I'm gonna go with the grain and try to bring it down a little bit more. Now this is the 2 guard with the lever closed. Remember I set the rest of the hair at a 2 with the lever open, so it's a higher length. So I see the bulk area didn't come down enough, so I put on my 1 guard with the lever open, and I'm just kind of taking it down slowly. I don't want to go against the grain going into his waves. I just want to bring that area down a little bit. Now keeping on that 1 guard with the lever open, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flick out and just try to blend in and take out different bulk areas that I see, just trying to get it all to run smoothly, but not really going up too high. So to prevent us from having to do a lot of detail work, what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna close the lever on that 1 guard, and I'm just gonna, soften up that middle line so it'll make it easier for you to come behind it with the next step. Now putting on the 0 guard with the lever fully closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now remember to start below the line and flick to the line, and if you need to go up any higher, adjust the lever as you go up. Notice how I'm using my corners the entire time. Alright, you don't want to take off too much on that other side of the blade that you already worked on, so make sure that you keep in mind, work in small increments. So in the exact same way that you took out the middle line is how you take out the bottom line, all right? With the lever fully closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. And if you need to, baby it like the middle line, you can set the lever halfway, soften it up, and just, take it out with it fully closed. So just remember, use your corners. So lastly, what you want to do is detail, all right? That's the most important part of the blend. There's not a lot of detailing I need to do at this point because I basically inched everything. but detailing is very important. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, we make it look easy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheers.